Welcome to Trade Doc, Theta Options Trader. We'll recap today's close, look at the futures, scan our ETF watch list to spot opportunity. Today is November 22nd, 2016, and the markets, they closed green with the Dow up, record high at over 19,020, the Nasdaq up 17 points, about a 1/4%. The S&P up almost 5, about a 1/4%. Looking at the futures, the ES is pretty much unchanged. The Russell's up a little bit. The Dow is down. Bonds are coming up. Big difference in the last couple of weeks. VIX is down slightly. Crude oil is up almost a 1/4%, up to $48.12. Natural gas is coming back up to $2.95, coming back up to $3. Gold is holding steady, coming off of 1200 up to 1212. Silver is still below 17. Copper is coming down in the futures. The Nikkei is almost down a 1%. The dollar is still strong, 101. And the British pound is 124.25. The peso still under a nickel, and the euro is at 164, 106. Let's look at the charts. Here in crude, we have a sell signal after these buy signals. So on this sell signal, acted today, we're short on crude now, short deltas. Here on the, we actually shorted them yesterday, but because of this volume here and about 2 days ago, we're going to be short natural gas explorers. Plus they hit this trend line, which is resistance. Natural gas, we have a sell signal here and a high volume. So here at high volume, it's going to stabilize. So it looks like the prices are up. We're not going to put anything there. Let's just draw a channel to see where it might be heading and how this is acting. Looks like it's trading in the middle of that channel. So with this sell signal here, we might hold on and see if it breaks this channel. We'll put a sell on it. Here, gold, very low volume traded today. And gold was up early in the morning. So gold, we like to go long, but not going long yet. Gold miners are acting a little bit better. They still have this resistance to go through. Let's put this at the bottom of this. Here. This covers pretty much the move. Let's see if it starts traveling up this channel. This silver, I like to go long, but because of this very low volume here, not very confident. And silver is up a 0.5% today. So what those look like, it's ready to buy. So either way, I'm gonna put a buy on silver, short term. Energy sector came up pretty high volume there. No signals. I'm gonna draw a channel here just because it's behaving pretty good on here. That doesn't cover any of the move. I'd like to do that one. That's its range there. So we got to respect that line. Call it the middle of the range. Utilities, they look pretty flat. Not really very tradable, but it looks like this is a supporting trend line there. Let's see what happens. There's a big gap to fill in this area. See if it gets up to that gap. Industrials are rocketing. Now we have a sell signal here, so we're gonna go and on low volume. Still gotta come down to this gap here, I believe. Industrials are pretty much getting ready to be shorted because they're pretty much oversold. Well away from its 20-day moving average. So I'd like to put a sell signal on that. Industrial sector. I like the industrial sector, but they're a little hot right now. Here's another sell signal here. So when we obey, this is material sector, and we have a sell signal on that. Still have 4 minutes. Here's our trend line. Let's see that breakdown. This is a good short that we've been in for a while. This is the healthcare sector. Probably getting ready for a bounce. But as for now, we're still short. If it breaks this apex, we're going to see a lot more further movement, especially the way this is looking, the relative strength. This is the relative strength is in the back, the best buy and sell signals are in the front. So no sell signals yet. This is real estate. Now I bought more O today just because it went up 1%, so it's looking for strength. So real estate, we're looking to buy. Go long real estate by a few months. Home builders, they've been doing very well lately. Here's a trend line. This is what we got for home builders. Breaks down a little bit past that, then we go for a short. This is our target zone after we get our sell signal. This is oversold, which is real retailers kind of like going off on its own. So I imagine in the next couple weeks, a couple broken trend lines. So we're short retails, and I gotta look for that. Financials, we're short financials again today. S&P, no position on S&P, big movement right here. Now it's following this trend line here. We've seen this before many a times. So especially when it's breaking new highs. See a little bit pop above that middle trend line, and we do have a sell signal. So really, S&P, everything's pretty much oversold. So if we're not shorting at this time, then there's seriously something wrong. Dow at the all-time high, low volume here. So on low volume, really those prices aren't very firm. The Qs are another sell. I've been short the Qs for a while. There's a trend line we're looking to break. And we have been short the Russell for a while as well. So Russell's again following that same trend line. Now it's in the middle of its range. I was short and then I covered this morning, but this we're going long with it. So it's got a little bit of strength. It's got to make it up to this area before we can look for another shorting opportunity. And it's pretty much right there, so we could go short on this, but I'm not gonna yet. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, ask questions. Have a great day, week. Peace.